Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Northern Spy apples. These apples originated in the 1800s in New York State. The apples grew in popularity throughout New York and into the northeastern growing regions. Today, Northern Spy apples are grown mostly in the northeastern United States, and there are a few specialty orchards that do grow them on the west coast in the United States. They're available in the fall and they can be stored up to 3 months in a cool, dry place. So they don't have a very long storage life like some of the other apples that we can find out there. Regarding their characteristics, Northern Spy apples are a late season apple and they're very large and stout. They're red with streaks of yellow and pale green in there. The flesh is a creamy yellow. It's tender, crisp, and juicy. It has a slightly tart flavor, kind of like apple cider with hints of pear and a little bit of sweetness in there. Regarding the best uses for Northern Spy apples, they are versatile. They can be enjoyed fresh out of hand, or you can cut them up into salads. They can be cooked in any way imaginable, like added to pies and tarts and cobblers. They can be baked, they can be roasted, sautéed, and even slow cooked into applesauce. They're an excellent option for a cheese tray with nuts and honey, and they make an excellent choice for making into apple cider. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.